Welcome to 24 Malibu Drive, located in the Brookwood community in Eatontown, New Jersey. This home has 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and is just under 1,400 square feet. As you enter the home, you come to the foyer, which is open to the spacious living room with wood-burning fireplace and sliders to the backyard. Just off the living room is the updated kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and custom cabinets. There is access to the one-car garage, and it opens to the dining room. The sliders look out on the private wooded backyard with paver patio and Weber grill, a perfect place to relax after a long day. There's also a half bathroom and a coat closet at the front of the home. Here we are on the second floor loft, a bonus space that can be an office, a gym, or a play area. The master suite has a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom. The laundry room is also located on the second floor. The main bathroom has a large vanity with mirror, a tub with shower, and is conveniently located next to the second bedroom. Thank you for touring 24 Malibu Drive, located in Eatontown, New Jersey. In-person tours are available by appointment.